So, where are we going today? Well, we are going right up yonder. Right up yonder, and it's getting a little bit breezy. Are you coming with me? Come on. Oh, do you not like me? Heck, I can take a hint, you know. You have feelings. I was hoping that I would get up there, but I'm not going to make it before sunset, so I am going to head over yonder and check that spot out. I think it looks very pleasant. It's a bit exposed for me. I don't mean exposed to like the elements, I mean that I'm kind of in view. I think if people walk on this path, but I'm shattered. Hello. Yes, I think a change of plan, because like I say, I was heading up there, but I just don't think I'm going to make it. So rather than slog my guts out, I'm going to pitch myself over there, which I've either just shown you or I'm about to show you. I'm not sure, it depends how I edit it. I'm walking along the beach now. Do you want to look? Oh, I've not got my stick thing. Look at my hat, I've got a new hat. It's a bit big. Oh heck, I hope that's not a bear that I'm following. It wouldn't be very good at all, would it? Ooh, I'm tempted. I tell you what, this might be a nice spot for a swim in the morning, so I might get a couple of swims out of this camp, or maybe even 3, because I've spotted a likely little place on the way back that I may well have a dip. Anyway, let's have a mooch over this place. Oh heck, how am I going to get up here? I've kind of, look where I've ended up. I've got to clamber back up again, which is without falling into the water, which wouldn't be very helpful. Right, let's have a look what this spot's like over here. So now I know this is not like my usual spots, they're a bit private, because I know for a fact people have camped here, because when I've been walking on that ridge over there, I've seen them. But this could be nice, especially if we get a nice sunrise in the morning. The sun will sort of appear over yonder. Should be quite nice. And then tomorrow, let's trace my start back around there. And can you see that there? That's like a shepherd's shelter. And then we go, there's a path that goes right up that bit there. And then we kind of come back around all of that, and then my second campsite should be over there somewhere. Well, there we are. I haven't had my little fox too, my little foxy out for a while. Looking good, aren't you, fox? So yeah, hello. I'm in my teeny tiny tent today, so I'm not camping where I anticipated camping, but I set off a little bit too late, so I should have been camping right up there. But my view's not too bad. I mean, look at that, that's pretty good. So I'm just having a cup of licorice and apple flavoured tea, and then I'm having some white and red quinoa mixed with beef jerky. Cool or what? So I'm going to crack on. Hello. Well, here I am. So this is my home for the night. Now, that's my pool. And in my pool, I've got a couple of drinks chilling. Now, you know me, it's not alcohol because I don't drink. So I've just had my tea, which I had quinoa, beef jerky, and little mini tortillas and wrapped them up. I've just got some hobnobs, well, the Lidl's version of hobnobs, and a cuppa, and then I'm going to have my tins, like I said, and I've got some nibbles, so some Chinese style nibbles, and oh, it's glorious here. Right, I'll tell you what I'll do then. I'll come over to you and I shall show you all of this because it looks fabulous, don't you think? I've not had Foxy out for a while, so I'd forgotten how teeny she was. Right, come on, let's show you around. As promised, I said I would give you a tour of my site for the night. So, obviously behind me, there is my tent and my pool. So, in the morning, I will see the sun come up down yonder. Although somebody's pitched a tent up there. But not to worry, there's plenty of room for us all. But I'll tell you what, the sun is casting an amazing sort of shadow on the mountain just there. Let me turn you around. Can you, oops, you've lost me. Can you see it? Isn't it fab? Right, let's go and have a quick mooch down to where my drinks are chilling. Come with me, come on. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? And then what I've done is I put these two tins down here ages ago so that they were just chilling out a little bit. What do you think? Home sweet home. So I've got myself one of these. This one is cucumber and mint, sorry, not mint, lightly sparkling. Oh my lord, somebody's pitching up over that side. Look what I'm having that. I'm having a proper party. He's like really nice. The tastier than the midges. I've got my microphone on, so it's probably crunchy. Hello, good morning. So, I was a bit of a sneaky one today because I've had my breakfast without you guys. I am ever so sorry, but I was just having one of my sort of serene moments. So, my camp's behind you, I've packed up and I'm heading up there next. But as we go around, we should, if you can see over there, you can see the clouds are lower, so we should get ourselves a nice cloud inversion, which I'll show you. Anyway, come on, let's go. Oh, I'll just give you a spin round because you like your spin rounds, don't you? This was my camp. Wasn't it good? And we are off. Say ta to Shadow. Bye bye, Shadow. Oh, what do you mean you're coming with? Oh, of course you are. Sorry, I was just trying to leave you after your cheekiness. Well, I heard somebody told me you were calling you cheeky monkey. This is a lovely start to the day, isn't it? So it's, I think it's like 8:15 there or thereabouts. Now, I've emptied all my water out, except for one.